Jenkins Interview Preparation Part 1. What is Jenkins? Now I recommend you to pause the video, try answer it, and compare your answer with the ideal answer. Jenkins is an open source free automation tool used to build and test software projects. Jenkins makes it painless for developers to integrate changes to the project. What are the features of Jenkins? Some of the crucial features of Jenkins are the following. It is a free and open source automation tool. Jenkins provides a vast number of plugins. It is easy to set up and install on multiple operating systems. Provides pipeline support, fast release cycles, easy upgrades, and so on. What is Groovy in Jenkins? Apache Groovy is a dynamic object-oriented programming language used as scripting language for Java platforms. Groovy is used to orchestrate the Jenkins pipeline and enable different teams to contribute to the work in different languages. How do you install Jenkins? You need to follow the steps mentioned below to install Jenkins. Install Java, install Apache Tomcat server, download Jenkins Word file, deploy Jenkins Word file. We already handled that, how to install it on EC2 instance on AWS. Which commands can be used to begin Jenkins in Windows? Here are the commands to use to start Jenkins. First, we open the command prompt. After command prompt opens, we open the directory where Jenkins Word is installed. Then run the following command like this. For example, it is inside the D directory, java-jar the jenkins.war file. What is continuous integration or CI with reference to Jenkins? Continuous integration is a development practice where the codes can be integrated into a shared repository. The practice uses automated verification for early detection of code problems. Continuous integration triggers the build to find and identify bugs present in the code. It adds consistency to the build process. It is a mean to build things faster and prevents broken code. What are the differences between continuous integration, continuous delivery, and continuous deployment, CI/CD? Continuous integration, or CI, is a DevOps software development practice that permits developers to merge the changes to their code in central repository to run automated build and tests. Continuous delivery, CD, refers to the building, testing, and delivering improvements to the software code. The most critical part of the CD is that the code is always in a deployable state. Continuous deployment, CD, is the ultimate stage in the DevOps pipeline. It refers to automate release of any developer changes from the repository to the production stage. So the difference between CD or the continuous delivery and continuous deployment is everything is automated. But delivery here, there is some steps or some stage can be manual. What is CI/CD or continuous integration, continuous delivery pipeline? CI/CD pipeline or continuous integration, continuous delivery is considered the DevOps approach backbone. The pipeline is responsible for building codes, running tests, and deploying new software versions. What is a Jenkins pipeline? The pipeline represents the continuous delivery and continuous integration of all of the jobs in the SDLC and DevOps lifecycle. SDLC, which means Software Development Lifecycle, and DevOps Lifecycle. The Jenkins pipeline is a set of plugins that support implementation and integration of continuous delivery pipelines into Jenkins. It connects this pipeline in a particular format by Jenkins. The Jenkins pipeline solves several problems like maintenance of thousands of jobs and maintaining deployment with needing to resort to the other powerful methods. Name the three different types of pipelines in Jenkins. There are three types of Jenkins pipelines. Actually, there are more, but these are the main ones: CI/CD pipeline, scripted pipeline, and declarative pipeline. Thanks for watching. I will see you in part 2.